Hello, it's me, Robin, with Simple Food, Simple Life. How are you? What's that? Oh, okay, right. We're in the kitchen, so let's make some food. I'm glad to see you guys today. I'm going to do something simple. I went down in the basement. I took this bag with me. We don't even have a Target here anymore. It's a Target bag, but my younger daughter brought some things and they were in a Target bag. So, hey, I use it. I went downstairs and I picked up a few things. So, let me show you what I've got. We're going to make some chili for the week. I've got a jar of tomato sauce. You can see this was canned in 2023. I know you're jealous of my fancy labels. I've got some tomato juice from 2023 as well. I like my chili soupy. My husband always liked chili thick. So when he made it, we got it thick. When I made it, we got it soupy. So we were okay with it. I've got a jar of kidney beans that I canned up from last year. And 2 jars of kidney beans. And I've got from my freezer, I've got some tomatoes, onions, and peppers from 2024. So I wanted to use these up. I'm trying to use up the things in my pantry. And so basically that's going to be the ingredients. I've got some garlic powder and I've got some chili powder. And that's pretty much it. So let's get busy and we will make the chili. This is a meatless chili, by the way, but I'm okay with it. I'm going to start out with a little avocado oil in my little kettle here because I'm going to put my frozen, they're still frozen, tomatoes, onions, and peppers in the pan. Now, I could just put them in with the tomato juice, etc. But honestly, I want them to get some flavor and some color on them. Okay, you can see that these are starting to thaw out. It'll take a little bit for them to thaw out, and then I can caramelize them a little bit and get some flavor on them. It looks a little odd. It kind of looks like there's carrots in there, but actually it's yellow peppers. So there was yellow peppers, green peppers. I just put in whatever I had. If you have extra things like that, especially when they're in season, chop them up, just put them in a freezer bag, and in a few months you'll be glad that you did. I'm going to put some chili powder in here, put some garlic, I'm going to put salt and pepper. Now, I did not salt these when I put them in the freezer like I would if I were going to can them. So, a little salt, some pepper, and these are coming along just fine. Okay, we'll let them do their thing. Okay, I drained and rinsed the kidney beans, so those are going to be ready to put in. And you can see that this is coming along pretty good. And look at all the water that came off of Those tomatoes, onions, peppers. That's a lot. So I'm going to leave the lid off so these can cook down a little bit and concentrate. And then I will add the kidney beans, and we're going to saute them and let them get friendly with the other ingredients. Okay, let's add the kidney beans. Now, you can put in whatever beans you like. Some people don't care for kidney beans. Or just use meat, don't use any beans. It doesn't really matter. I did give this a little taste, and it needs more chili powder. So we're going to put more of that in. And I think I'm going to put a little more garlic in there too. That looks pretty good already, doesn't it? I think it does. There was so much juice in there. I didn't really get down to the saute process, did I? But that's okay. It'll be good flavor. So I'm going to add this tomato sauce. So much of cooking is just guessing. It's just guessing, tasting, adding a little here and a little there until you get what you want. You know what? I don't know if I'm going to add that tomato juice or not. I may not. I may not add it. Because I'm thinking, and you know, thinking will get me in trouble sometimes. I'm thinking maybe it's not necessary. It's pretty good. Let's put some pepper, put some more salt. Beans take a lot of salt, in my opinion. I don't think I'm going to add that tomato juice. I think, but I did open the tomato juice, but I think I'm just going to pop a lid on there and put it in the refrigerator and just drink it off and on. Have a nice glass of tomato juice once in a while. Okay. Let's see. I'm going to turn the heat down on this, and I'm going to put a lid on it and let it simmer. And we'll be back. Okie doke. My chili is done. And I'm going to fill up these quart jars and see how much soup I have for the week. I put a lid on my tomato juice, and I'm going to pop that in the refrigerator. I like to have a glass of tomato juice with some salt, pepper, and a sprinkle of cayenne because it's delicious. Okie doke. I've got 2 quarts of chili for the week, and that's what's left. So I'll probably slurpy derp that up, you know. This is for the cook. So, okay. All right, that's it for me today. I just wanted to show you how you can use some pantry items, because that's what I've been doing, and going through my freezer items, because we want to be sure and use up what we are able to store. We want to use up our food storage and rotate our stock. That's pretty important. So I just wanted to show you this today. Okay, and by the way, these are lids from mayonnaise jars that I saved. They fit on your regular size canning jars. So just in case you didn't know that. Okay. All right. I love you guys. You know I do. As always, you know that little is much when God is in it. All right. Let me know what you think. What are you doing today? How have you been using your food storage? And maybe you could share it with the rest of us because it helps, doesn't it? All right. Love ya. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.